Hull integrity dropping fast. We need to slow this descent now.
Engaging secondary stabilizers.
We're seeing significant stress fractures radiating from the primary blast zone.
The damage is worse than anticipated, Control.
Maintain altitude. Stabilizing ROV Cluster 3.
Readings are fluctuating. Cross-reference with the sonar map overlay.
Structural integrity holding at 80%. Starting to see seepage.
Ready to tension. Stand by. Standing by. Tensioning now. Confirmed secure.
Adjusting manipulator arm 3. Watch the sonar readings.
Confirmed. Clearing Sector 4 now.
Stress levels are exceeding parameters.
We have multiple alarms in Sector 4. Shut it down now.
Retracting the drill.
Corrosion level looks minimal on section Gamma.
Confirmed. Manipulators are clear to proceed with the next phase.
Copy that. Moving to the starboard lock.
Probe entering the main ballast tank now.
Copy that. I'm showing heavy corrosion on Sector 4.
Stand by for structural integrity analysis.
Winch is engaged. Bring her up now. Watch the tension on line 3.
Tension holding steady at max capacity.
We've got movement on the stern. Stabilize the load.
Flotation bags at 80% capacity. Hull stabilization confirmed. Beginning controlled ascent.
Standing by on stabilizers. She's rising fast. Cable secure. We got her. We actually got her.
Approaching cradles, initiating slow descent.
Receiving guidance signals. Port side adjusting.
Confirmed. Starboard secure. Lowering complete. Increase output on pump 1 to max differential.
Confirmed. Equalizing ballast pressure now.
Battery levels holding steady at 24%.
Tension spiking on line 3. Ease off the starboard winch. Copy that. Adjusting accordingly. Levels normalizing.
Secure that clamp now.
It's holding. Applying pressure.
Watch the starboard side. Wave incoming.
Heave on that line. Make it fast to the bollard.
Watch the tension. It's tightening up.
All secure on the bow line, Captain. Hold steady. Bring it down 20 feet. Watch the starboard clearance. And set her down easy. Easy, easy. Bring her down slow. Hold the stern steady. We're clear on this side.
right, team, listen up. We are live. Move to positions and secure the rigging.
Confirmed. Moving to Sector 3. Let's go, let's go!
Trawler 3, stabilize your position on the hull breach.
Acknowledged. Running integrity scan now.
Pressure stabilizing at maximum load.
Stress response levels are holding steady across all sensors.
Watch that lateral sway on the starboard side.
Holding steady. Command, we are clear to proceed.
By the ancients! It's real. The stories were true.
Trolley 3 secured.
Trolley 4 secure. Requesting clearance to move.
Clearance granted. Proceed to extraction point.
Spectrometer confirms high gold purity.
Look at the isotope ratios. It's definitely pre-war.
Transport phase initiated. All teams, secure your sections and prepare for extraction.
Sector 4 secure.
Copy that. Readiness checks are complete. We are green for departure. All right, bring it down slow. Watch the clearance on the right.
Easy, hold it there.
Copy that. Setting it down now. Sierra Bravo 1, this is Echo 6. Convoy integrity is green.
Copy that, Echo 6. Maintaining aerial overwatch.
Convoy status stable. Biometrics holding steady on containers 1 through 5.
Confirmed. Environmental levels are green.
Control, this is entry team. Crates are secure in Zone 3. Requesting lockdown.
Lockdown confirmed, entry team. Sealing vault door.
Purity levels are optimal. Adjust the smelting flow sequence immediately.
Rerouting to the recasting protocol now.
team, move out. Convoy is rolling.
Bravo team holds the perimeter. Rolling code 3.
Sequence initiated. Door engaging.
Pressure stabilizing. All systems green.
Main bolts locked. Vault secure. Fluctuations detected in Sector Gamma.
Reroute sensor grid. I need a confirmed integrity reading.
All parameters nominal. Grid secure.